With CarZing, it's easy to find your perfect car. Start by using search options to narrow your results by things like make, model, year, or price. Once you find your car, you can customize your finance options, like your down payment, term, and monthly payment, and then get pre-qualified. Or get pre-qualified first, then search, so CarZing only matches you with cars that you're already pre-qualified for. It's easy, just fill out some basic information, and getting pre-qualified doesn't even affect your credit score. If you're having trouble getting search results after you've been pre-qualified, this might mean that, based on your credit profile, you'll need to expand your search parameters. You might not see results for that brand new BMW, but by expanding your search, for example, to include older models or other makes, or by increasing your down payment, you'll find the perfect car that also works with your credit. Plus, we always give you the option to uncheck the Show Only Qualified filter, so you can review all available options in your area. Then, just contact the dealer for more information about the car you want. CarZing puts you in the driver's seat. Try it out today and reach out to our customer support team if you need additional help.